Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. It's me Anil. Today we are going to see how to download and install Visual Studio for Windows. So first of all, open your Chrome browser and type Visual Studio download. Open the first link, which is the official Microsoft website link. Here you will find the Visual Studio 2019, which is the latest version of it. Here you will find the three downloading type, like first one is community, second one professional, and third one is enterprise. This both professional and enterprise is the paid one. We can download the free trials. I think it will be for 90 days. The free trial days will be 90 days for both of them. But we are interested in downloading the free one, which is the community version. So click on free download. Open the folder of it. Now double click on the file. Click on yes. Click on continue. So it has been downloaded and installed as well. Now here Visual Studio installer has been open. There is a two tab. The first one is install and the second one installer. In installer, these things has been appear to install. Like you can say what you need to install. Just select those one. Okay. Let's suppose I have to install this ASP.NET and web development. And if you want to learn the C#, then console application you will need to. If you want to learn the C#, then can click this one. If you are interested in Azure development, you can check this also. I'm selecting this one also, .NET Core cross-platform development. So I've selected the three packages for downloading. First one is ASP.NET Web Development. Second one is the .NET Development, .NET Desktop Development. It will comes the desktop applications as well as the console applications, which is used for learning the C#. And here the last one I have selected that is a .NET Core, which is a cross-platform development. So now it will take the total space, that is 8.62 GB. So click on install. So it will going to download and take the time, so depend upon your Wi-Fi speed or internet speed. So our downloaded has finished. Now we need to here it says that reboot required. So installation has been succeeded here, but it tells that we need to restart. So I am just pausing the video and we'll meet once my system is rebooted. Okay. So my laptop has been restarted. So let's search for Visual Studio. So it's here, Visual Studio 2019. Open it. Here you need to sign in. If you're having already an Microsoft account, if you didn't have, just create a new one, or you can do it maybe later, but you have to sign in before 30 days. After that it will going to be expired, because till 30 days it will be a trial version. If you didn't sign, it will going to be expired in 30 days. So I'm clicking here, sign in. So you need to provide here Microsoft account here. I think it's Outlook. Click on next. Now it's asking me to enter the password. So it's been logged in successfully. Now it's preparing for the first time use. So now here you can choose anyone to get started with the Visual Studio. First one, clone a repository. If you have any repository on a GitHub, can use that one. Or if you have already created a project or solution, you can open it from here. If you want to open a local folder where you have located your project, can find it from here. If you want to create a new one, just click on create a new project. So I'm clicking on it. So now here you need to select the templates which you want to perform or create based on that. There are lots of templates here, but we will here provided with the filters. First of all, with the languages, we want to work with the C# language. Click on C#, and the platform we need to select. We are working on Windows, so click on Windows. And here the project types. What project type we are going to select here? Like you want to select the web, you can select the web, or you want to perform with the desktop applications, you can select desktop. For now I am just want to show the hello world message, the console, so I am clicking here project type as console. So now here, based on the filters, two records to display, two templates has been displayed here. The first one for the .NET Core and the second for .NET Framework. So I am using the .NET Framework. Select next. Now here the project name. So I am giving the project 1. You can choose the location where you want to store it. Now here is the framework. The latest framework is 4.7.2. You can use that, or you can change if it's depend on you. Click on create. Now it will create a project with the console applications. So it's the first time, so it will take some time to create. So here our project has been created, and by default program.cs page is also has been created by itself. So we need to write the code here. So for console, we need to write the console keyword dot write line here. We need to give the message, let's say hello world. Now run your project. This console application will not going to run in any browser. It will going to run in the console. Now here you will going to get the output as hello world. So we have got the output hello world. Okay. Now click here on help. Click here about Microsoft Visual Studio. Click on license status. Now here you can find that the license Visual Studio Community, this product is licensed to this. So here didn't show any the demo, the trial version for me. Like I said, if I haven't login or sign in here in this Visual Studio, it will be a trial version for 30 days. But after I have logged in, now it will be free of cost for the lifetime. It will be free for me for the lifetime for development purpose. So that's it. Thank you for watching.